Okay, good morning guys. So I'm going to Trelawney for the week. It's Monday the 20th of January. Malik and I are nobody not video you first of all.
Yes you are.
We're gonna go to Smart Post to pick up a package. Oh Jesus. Yeah, the road is terrible. Like, the road is rough. Well, you can't really see, but it's rough. But anyways, we're gonna go to Smart Post, which is in the New Kingston area. So I'll see you guys when I get there. Okay, so I just went to Smart Post to pick up my package, and it's not here. It comes in today, which makes me very sad because I'm on a timeline. And I won't be able to pick it up. So I think what I'm gonna do is, since I'm going to Trelawney today, I'm gonna come back on Friday because I'm gonna probably come back on Sunday, but I have to pick up the package, so I have to leave like early Friday morning. All right, bye. Okay, so Malik and I are at the plaza now. She needs to buy something for her hair, and I just made a sale, so I'm very happy. I made a couple sales yesterday as well, so feeling real good. Oh, look for the cake.
Thank you.
I'm not sure what I like. Chocolate mocha looks really good. Guys, I just helped Malik plait out her hair. You look good. I just helped Malik plait out her hair for she's going to faux locks. So stay tuned to see
The results.
Yeah,
No,
the platinum look really nice.
Alright, go on now. Go on.
We were also watching Don't Mind Session Room. It needs to be repainted, but she know that already. We were watching Twilight. And thumbs up if you love back juice, because if you lie and saying I love back juice, you just lie. A lot of people are wondering, oh, why girl like you are drinking back juice? Why girl like you are drinking back juice? I love back juice. Mommy loves back juice too. Cause like we don't like, it's not easily accessible. Not that it's not easy accessible. You don't really get it much in America. Yeah.
Okay, so show me what to do.
Fish actually. Anyways, I'm about to leave these two and go to Trelawney for the week. Alright. Bye. Ooh, twerk, twerk, twerk. Alright, whatever. Bye. Good morning vlog. It is a little bit after 6 o'clock, or it's almost 7 actually, and it's been raining the past couple of days, but it's very calming. It's nice to fall asleep and wake up to. And the air smells fresh, you know? It's really nice. And yeah, everything's just so lush. So I love that, you know? Kind of makes me think about how blessed we are. Yeah, Jamaica has its issues, but for the most part, you know, the earth itself is doing okay, despite all the climate issues that we're having all over the world, like the drought in some African countries and the bushfires all over Australia. Yeah, I wish we could just share some of this rain, but yeah. So it's still raining outside. I'm gonna, yeah, go outside. So I'm putting on my water boots. I don't want to get my shoes messy because that's what I want to wear inside. So I'm just gonna put these on and then leave them on the veranda. Alright. Yeah, I left some stuff in the car. So I'm gonna go get those. You know the struggles. Especially with one hand.
You going up today?
No, Friday. Yeah. Friday. I'm gonna put this in this part. How much stuff I have in here? Oh, I need this. Yeah, those can stay. I don't want to bring the whole suitcase. No, I might as well. So I have to go. Okay, good morning vlog. Well, I shouldn't say good morning vlog. Good morning everybody. It is the next day. I haven't been really doing much since I've been down here. Country. But me and Grandpa are gonna go clean up his mother's grave. I'm not gonna record that. Just gonna record us walking there, even though he left me. That's okay, he left me. Good morning. So it's Thursday the 23rd. I'm going up tomorrow because I have to collect something. I was trying to collect it Monday, but it didn't reach. Wow, my grandpa really left me. We're walking. Well, I'm walking. Isn't Warsaw beautiful? He told me to put on my rain boots, so I just went back for my rain boots, my water boots. Oh, there he is. You okay, Grandpa? Huh? Where did one? Oh. So Grandpa is done cleaning up and painting his mother's grave. Auntie Annie's house is coming along nicely. I guess they built a wall. And the pond is also right there. Yeah. It looks nice. It's a little wall. Interesting. It's Uncle N's house. Yeah. So I'm here editing. Unfortunately, I don't have any Wi-Fi to upload when I am done editing. So I'll have to upload this tomorrow when I get back up to Kingston. Yeah. And I'm also trying to watch a YouTube video, but my service doesn't really pick up down here. I noticed when I went over to the graveyard to help Grandpa that my service did pick up really well. Who's using it over there? I don't know. But Grandpa is here. And thumbs up if your grandparents or your parents or you still have a lot of knickknacks on the whatnot. And here's Grandpa chilling. I'm gonna go to Grung with Grandpa one of these days and record it and show you guys. Grandpa! That should show the camera, yeah. And I want to say hi to my subscribers. To the people them that are watching. Just say hi.
Hi, how are you?
How are you? And tell them Happy New Year.
Happy New Year to you too.
Yeah, okay. Alright guys. I don't know what I'm gonna be doing later, so this is just gonna be the last clip you see for probably the day. I don't know if I come back, then I come back. You're listening to the radio. Alright. Hi guys, so Grandpa and I decided that we're gonna go get some yam, plantain, banana, and cane to bring up to some people in Kingston. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching so far. If you're still here, remember to give the video a like, comment, subscribe, and share. Yeah, keep watching for more. Thank you guys. Bye.
S playing on the track.
Let me tell you the one thing I remember from the last time you go, Gran. The things that I remember the most is the donkey. Yeah, I know a donkey dead last year, right? Or no, a long time now. Your cow dead last year. Yeah. And I remember the small stream. Yeah, and then I remember that you did cook. And then make me a clay doll. You remember the doll you did make me?
No. Yeah.
You remember it? Yeah. Afternoon. Yeah. So these are yam stick. Huh? It wet because it rained a lot. Yeah, it rained a lot yesterday and the days following. I mean previous. So these are the same type of bamboo and stick that they use. Grandpa, wait for me.
best playing on the track.
Grandpa says this is how they're supposed to look. Yeah, I just show the people. As you can see. So when you put the stick, the yam stick, what that do? Huh? Oh, that the yam run up on it? Okay. So I believe what I get from is that the yam, it starts to grow out and wrap around the yam stick. I think that's what he's saying. As you can see over there. Yeah. Alrighty, guys. This is the top I'm wearing, but I do have long pants. Huh?
This is mine.
This is Grandpa's. So you're so how you're so heavy? Oh. Oh. Alright, this is Grandpa's ground. Yeah, come. Old banana stock. Alrighty, let's keep on going. Boy. Boy. It's very slippery right here. So hold on to the bush. If I drop today, I better not laugh in the comments. Oh, something caught me. Alright, a bunch of donkey doodle and other animals that I don't know. Alright. Oh, Jesus. Alright. Beautiful view. You good? Alright. I'm going to move the donkey. I'm definitely gonna buy myself a drink and buy Grandpa a drink after this because I'm thirsty. I can hear my heartbeat. But like I said earlier, the last time I remember coming with Grandpa, I was young. I can't even remember how old I was, but I moved to America when I was 12. So probably when I was around 9 or 10 or one of those ages. But as you can see, oh, maybe this is the perfect time to show now. You see it growing out, so it's smart to put the that light, yeah. It's smart to put the stick to kind of help it grow up more. See, they're like rose petals, not petals, rose stems, but it's not as tough. And I don't know if it's because this is the early stage, but it's not that sharp. Like I can rub my hand over it and it doesn't hurt. And here's some baby banana trees. Yeah, man. Yeah. So nice banana here. I'm gonna eat one. I'm hungry, so I'm gonna have a banana. I'll be back when Grandpa comes back, and then I'll try to show you guys how he digs them up, or what he does, or the process, or anything along those lines. Alright, so they will cut you when they get older. They get really sharp. Careful, in a Grandpa. Yeah, me, I'll come right behind you. Right behind you.
Ini cangkir lagi dah.
Eh? The can? Got some cane. Ready again? Alright. Okay.
Mula ang simple sa iyo.
Alright. What? Ada YAM dat. Liam. So deep it is? Good. I don't know. See how to tie it up. Banana strong. Got it? On your head. So I'm gonna end off my clips up here, right here, because Grandpa and I are gonna carry the banana, cane, and some yam down, and then I will get back to you guys when we're back by the car. Okay guys, so we reached the car. Yam, banana, cane, suitcase. Whew. So we reached. Grandpa brush off or get the dirt out of my shoes. I should do the same. I'm gonna actually just change my shoes and scrape it out since, oh, look at my hands. It's not as dirty as Grandpa's, but you really can't even see. But there's dirt there. Oh, but I'm sweating. So I'm just gonna put on my shoes. I'm gonna sit down next to Grandpa and scrape out the mud. Let's scrape out some of mine too.